Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to make an image clickable on your Squarespace website in 2023. Of course, adding a clickable image can be a great way to engage your visitors and drive them to a specific page or actions. So make sure to stick by, let's dive right into it and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. So first, let's start by opening whatever browser we're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. In my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser, and of course, in your case, you can use any other browser that you could possibly have. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section and simply type Squarespace and hit the .com, of course, and hit the enter button. Once you're here, make sure to go and log in into your account if you have an account, and if you don't have an account, you can simply go and click on Get Started and follow the prompts to create your account with your email and etc. For me, I'm just going to access my dashboard right away and of course adjust my website. And of course, for you, you will have to go and access your Squarespace editor. So once you're logged in into your account, make sure to go on your dashboard and click on edit sites on the websites that you would like to edit the image on. And locate then the page where you want to add a clickable image. In the Squarespace editor, you can find the appropriate section or block where you want to place the image. You can add an image block or to that section by selecting the block option and choosing the image block. So as an example here, let's say this image I want to make it clickable, as you can see. So if I am in the editor, I'm not the editor at the moment, but if I am in there, as you can see, of course, you can even either before like upload an image, a new image, or select an existing image from your Squarespace like media library here, or something that you already use in your website, and then follow the prompts to upload or select the image that you want to make clickable. Then make sure with the image block selected, find the link settings. You will find this right there. Once you click on the image, you will find the link option. You can simply go and find the link settings in the editing option, look for the click through URL or link option, and enter the URL or the chosen page that you want the image to link to. And of course, this can be an internal page or a website or an external URL. Make sure to even customize the image displays. For example, you can customize the size of it and a lot of other stuff. Once you've done everything, make sure to save all the changes and of course go and test if the image is working. So you can go to the preview and click on the image to see if it's working correctly. If it does, that will be you are good to go. Or that means you are or you made your clickable image and that's it. So other than that, as an example, you'll be able to do a lot of other stuff as an example. So if you click here in commerce as an example, you'll be able to do some stuff. So as an example, if your even like a plan is expired or subscription expired, you can simply click on here, see plans, and you'll be able to see all the plans, personal, business, commerce, basic and commerce advanced. And of course, if you scroll down here, you'll be able to compare of all of them. And of course, you'll be able to pay annually or monthly. If you pay annually, you will save, as you can see here, 30%. So it's better to pay manually. And of course, as you can see here, you can scroll and see the difference about them. And of course, you can compare between all of them. So once you get your plan, it's going to be better. So you can use the Squarespace directly and good without any problem. So of course here you'll be able to go and see the orders on your websites. If you have a store, as you can see, you'll be able here to see the customers. If you click on it, you'll be able to export or import some customers if you don't have any the emails or some customer that you will sign the emails to if you want to, and a lot of other stuff. Of course, as you can see, there's even this membership option that you can add to some people on your Squarespace website, and you can even go and add this custom merch as an example. So you can even design and sell like as custom products. You can even go and connect with these options, as you can see. So at the moment, there is no website attached to this account, but it's not going to be a problem. So of course, you can even go and click on this customer notification. So there's this option. So let's click on next, and use the editor, of course, to custom whatever notification that we want. As you can see here, we have a lot of options. So global email styles, business settings, as you can see, and a lot of other stuff that we can change on whatever we want. Of course, you can see there's here general orders, and of course a lot of other stuff, as we said. So point on sale, the customer engagement, the customer account, gift card. Of course, you can edit any of those as an example by clicking on this edit email. So subscription orders and even members area. So you can edit whatever you want as an example here if you want to get this customer notification depending on their case or condition. And of course, you can even go here and go, as you can see, client to client management, which is just a new feature. And of course, you can add ways for clients to pay you directly through website. So if you click on set up some payments, as you can see, the payment name, you can put it here. And of course, you can even go and add the image to it. So I'm just going to put success here, and you can add an image as an example. I'm just going to add a random image as an example here, as an example, this one. You can even add the amount due as an example. I'm just going to put a $10 here and click on save. So they are creating the payment option as you can see. So we'll have to go and wait a bit. It should not take a lot of time. So once it's created, you'll find it there. And of course, here you can go and even instead of this commerce, there is the marketing, and you can even add some scheduling if you want. So of course, if we click on marketing, we will be able to do some email campaigns or profiles. You can give your site's visitors a way to subscribe, import existing email subscribers, as you can see, or even add a professional promotional pop-outs to your site. And or even you'll be able to import existing email subscribers or hire a marketing expert if you want to. And of course, as we said before, you'll be able to add this scheduling. So this scheduling will help you give some appointment to some people. So simply you'll have to go and give it a name as an example and click on next. And of course here the name of the service as example. So maybe consultation, whatever suits you. For me, I'm just going to put random things. Duration, I'm just going to put here like 15. Appointment, the price maybe $5 and click on next. And as you can see here, you'll have to check the days that you are free on and make sure to enter the time that you are free on. You can even add multiple times as an example, and you can even go and add how much days that you want. Click on next, and as you can see, you'll have to go and connect one of the payments providers so people can pay you and use your service. So if you click on connect, as you can see here, you'll find the Stripe, Square, and PayPal. Click on connection. You'll be prompted to connect your account so people will be able to connect. So you'll have to log in at your account and people will be able to pay you from there for your service. Of course, there's even like this profiles option, and this will show you here the number of subscribers, lead customers, first time customers, repeat customers, even donors, and even all the visitors of your website. You'll find them here. Of course, if you click on this three dots, you'll be able to add some subscribers, export all profiles, or even manage tags. So if you click as example on the settings, you'll be able to go and change the domain, the Google Workspace. You'll be able to change permissions, import or export contents. You'll be able to get this developer tool. There's the store payments and the billing on your account. So of course, if you reached this point of this video, congratulations. You've successfully learned how to make an image clickable for your Squarespace websites in 2023. Of course, by accessing the Squarespace editor, adding an image, block, setting up a new image link, customizing the image, and a lot of other stuff, you can create an engaging and attractive clickable image. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for our channels for more helpful tutorials like this one. Good luck with making your clickable images on Squarespace, and we'll see you in the next video.